and good morning. We are here in Cody, Wyoming, and we are on our way to a town called Lander. That'll be our next stop. The weather here is warmed up slightly. It's supposed to be a high of 40, but the wind is going to be probably gusts to 60 miles an hour. That's good. We're heading due south to Lander, so let's hit the road. We're on the road, headed to Lander. Just entering Thermopolis here now. We're going to be transitioning south through the Wind River Canyon from the north going south. Thermopolis has been here a long time, and they've got a lot of very cool motels here, especially their neon sign, like this one. Just out of Wind River Canyon now, and next turn will be in Shoshone up here a little bit. Just entering the town of Shoshone. We'll go through town, turn right, and head down towards Lander. And in sticking with the motel theme, you can see this one, the Desert Inn. Kind of cool, neon sign there. We are back in Riverton. Riverton's in line with Lander, so we have to go through Riverton here now. And the hotel we stayed in is just up here on the right a couple days ago. Seems like it's all a blur. There's a hotel. Like this place has been quite a place here. Jack Pine Motel. Just leaving Riverton now, heading to Lander. It's about 23 miles from here. It's up against those mountains up there. Just entering the town of Hudson. It's cool. Right on the side there. Just coming into the town of Lander now. We're going to go work on the site. We've arrived at the Lander site here. It's not very high, but it's located at this high location here in Lander. Unfortunately, we've got to make a snow egress here, so Galen's going to back the truck up over the snow so we don't have to ford the 40 feet of snow. Looks like it's several inches deep. That'll be good. And just like that, the radio system is ready to go. We're on the way to Kimmerer now. Just leaving Lander now. Next stop will be Kimmerer. Just heading up over South Pass here, and there's a historic ghost town up here on the left. It's called South Pass City, and I don't know if we can see it. It might be up ahead here, but we're heading up in elevation here. Temperatures dropped 35 degrees. We've kind of gotten out of the blowing snow, so I think we're okay. Yep, here is a turnoff for Atlantic City, South Pass City historic site. And I think we're coming up to the summit here now. This giant crater here to our right is a gigantic iron mine. They found iron up here and mined it all out. And now I think it's frozen water. I think it's more or less just a lake or a pond or a quarry here. Lots of this road, but we're getting there. We're getting close now. There's our hill with the radios on it. That's our destination. That's the site here at Kimmerer. Just about off the highway here to the exit to the site. Yep, here's our turn. And it's paved road for a while. And so we have to cross our fingers about now. If we're really lucky, we can drive. Otherwise, we'll have to bring the snowcat up here, or the snow machine. It's wheelers up here. There's the site we got to go. And if you look carefully, you'll see a white road here that comes down. We're going to send Galen up there in the white truck. That's pretty good. And the road goes all the way over there, and it looks like there's quite a bit of snow up to the highway. So we'll figure it out here in a minute. The verdict is in. It's wheeler time. Let's go. Alright, we're here at the site, and here's the antenna, and we're get to our job. It's windy, but it's not bad. Let's have a look around here. Let me switch views here on the camera. This is the view from up here in Kimmer site. Here's the antenna. Kimmer site is all done. We're loaded up. We're getting the heck out of here. Enough for today. On to Evanston, Wyoming. We're back on the road, headed to Evanston for the night. Let's go. Just coming into the town of Kimmer now. We're heading out. Gypsy Girls Cop Car?
Pilot car. If you need a pilot car for your oversized load.
I do.
Gypsy Gal's got your number.
Yeah, look at that, the Chateau Motel. Yeah. All right, well, this is downtown Kimmer. Been here a while. There's the home of JCPenney right here on the left. If you've ever been to JCPenney department store, it started right here. We got a little town square. Some other cool things. Open, close, vacancy, no vacancy, kitchen units. It's interesting. Maybe it lights up.
I think it does, depending on whatever you want.
Yeah.
That's back when it was analog. That's how they did it.
Oh, yeah. No neon, no nothing. Put a light bulb behind it, right? Well, there's taco time. You're hungry. Well, that's kind of the old downtown. Now we're heading out to the highway here. But before we go, hope you can see this. We've got the Antler Motel. Antler Motel. You can see it's a court type motel. I think that's been here for a long time. You also have what's called Dee's Motel right here. This was quite the place.
I think it's cash only too.
Oh, it's cash only.
So.
Interesting hotel venue, huh? Then you got the Fossil Butte Motel, which has also been here a while. Probably even has dial phones and color TV in there. As we head down to Evanston, we pass all these parked diesel locomotives. They look like they're all three-wheel bogies, so I'm guessing they're 4,000 horsepower each. There's a lot less of them. I think last time we came up there were 3 deep. Sure, a lot less now. Maybe they're in use doing something. Just parked on the side of the road here. When we stay in Evanston, we stay here at the Hampton Inn that has the 8-stall 150 kilowatt supercharger. It's great. You can come and charge and stay here. It's a really nice little place. It's just before you get to Utah here on Interstate 80. Yeah, what a view. Look at this view of the supercharger. That white Model Y is getting a charge. Looking good.